Okay. Warsaw's Old Town Marketplace is the center and oldest part of the Old Town of Warsaw. The marketplace is the true heart of the Old Town, and until the end of the 18th century it was the heart of all of Warsaw. It originated in the late 13th century, at the same time that the city was founded. Here the representative of guilds and merchants met in the town hall, and fairs at the occasional execution were held. The houses around it represented in the Gothic style until the Great Fire of 1607. After which they were built in late Renaissance style and eventually in late Baroque style. Before the war, the square looked like this. After the destruction, it lost its beauty and attractiveness. The district was damaged by the bombs of the German Luftwaffe during the invasion of Poland in 1939. The current buildings were reconstructed between 1948 and 1953 to look as they did it in the 17th century, when it was mostly inhabited by rich merchant families. But you probably won't even notice because everything looks original. Today, the square is ready to receive tourists, and during the days of fairs, you can get interesting souvenirs here. The Warsaw Mermaid, a bronze sculpture by Konstanty Hegel, has stood as the symbol of Warsaw since 1855. If you are dreaming of a quiet drink in a cobblestone square, basking in the shade of ornately painted townhouses, and listening to the gentle bustle of the passerby and horse-drawn carriages, Warsaw's Old Town Market Square is about as good as it gets. So guys, thank you for watching. Warsaw is interesting city and not so simple. So please subscribe the channel. Bye bye.